The hell is that?
What is that strange noise? It sounds like a trumpet, and it's so weird it's being called a real-life X-Files. This video was shot in a Canadian forest. And this creepy high-pitched sound was recorded in Michigan. This spooky noise was heard in Finland. And now it's happening again across the river from Detroit and Windsor, Canada. The mystery is really freaking people out.
When it comes in really hard. It shakes windows, it rattles dishes, it makes pictures go crooked on the wall.
Sometimes it lasts for hours. Other times for just a few minutes.
Your bed starts shaking, your floors start vibrating.
Some experts believe the source of the ghostly noise could be this U.S. steel plant situated on a small island in the Detroit River. So while there may be a logical explanation here, the question remains, what about those other noises?
What is that? Oh my God! Mom! Go come on, go come on, go come on.
Hurry the fuck up.
Mom!
Dude,
What
what the fuck was this?
What was that?
A fucking like a blue light just shine over the whole
Mom, that gave me chills.
the whole fucking sky.
We don't have no light.
The whole fucking sky turned blue.
The whole No!
I promise you.
I swear to God.
The whole sky turned blue.
That scared me.
Did you get it? Did you get it?
Been hearing these noises outside. Oh, what? Oh my God, I can't believe I just got that. Yeah, we've been hearing these noises for about 5-10 minutes or something like that. We're in town. Whoa! There's House of Fraser over there. What the is it? I hope we can hear this. Right. I hope they can hear it. It's really weird. What the
The strange booms after dark last night. What could have caused it? The theories range from aliens to an earthquake. ABC 15's Melissa Blasius talking to witnesses.
It was the weirdest, oddest thing.
Maria Rodriguez heard it and felt it in Scottsdale's DC Ranch neighborhood. She was watching TV with her family just after 8:30. They were startled by their dogs barking, a back door banging, and a boom that seemed to come from the top of the house.
This was unexpected. It just happened. It was just, there was nothing before and nothing after, and it was very quiet afterwards and left everyone thinking, what was it?
At first, she thought it was an earthquake or a downburst, but Arizona geologists and meteorologists are ruling those out. Could it be a sonic boom? Luke Air Force Base tells ABC 15 they had jets in the air, but they were flying 75 to 100 miles away from where people experienced the boom and the shaking. So the mystery continues.
the school library.
And what did you hear? What did it sound like?
Boom!
Oh my goodness, right?
It shook the house.
And Eva Weiner and her sister know a little too much about explosions lately.
It shook my chair, and I think it could have actually pushed a 3-year-old out of their seat. It was just a supersonic boom.
What we know is this. Just before 2:14 p.m. today, residents as far west as Jamaica near Kennedy Airport, eastward toward Freeport, and north towards Franklin Square heard a blast. The NYPD called it a sonic boom from 2 fighter jets. But later in the afternoon, NORAD said there were no F-22 fighter jets in the area, and they were still trying to track down what type of military aircraft could have caused this.
So it was this loud boom, and the house shook, and doors that were closed flew open, and my kids are at school, my husband's at work, and I'm freaking out.
Tried to call 911, and unfortunately, they weren't answering. 911 did not answer.
It started out as a pretty typical Saturday night.